Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the audio adapter. It can be 3.5 nm to male to female, and also can be 6.35 to 3.5 nm, different kinds, and it can be plastic, metal, white color, black color, gold printed, nickel printed. Different size, different change. It can be also with the logo here, and if you meet the size different, we can make a new model for it. Also, we can choose different material for you. Just send us your drawing or tell us your idea. We can decide the drawing for you. Thank you. Have a good day.